Hi, this is JD and I am here with Joyce Talk. Jeff Bezos, by name of Jeffrey Preston Bezos, born on January 12, 1964 in Albuquerque, New Mexico, United States, and graduated in 1986 from Princeton University with degrees in electrical engineering and computer science, and undertook a series of jobs before joining the New York investment bank D.E. Shaw and Company in 1990. Bezos oversaw examining the investment possibilities of the internet. Its enormous potential web usage was growing by more than 2000% a year, sparked his entrepreneurial imagination. In 1994, he quit D.E. Shaw and moved to Seattle, Washington to open a virtual bookstore. Working out of his garage with a handful of employees, Bezos began developing the software for the site. Named after the South American river, Amazon sold its first book in July 1995. Amazon quickly became the leader in e-commerce. As more companies battled for internet dollars, Bezos saw the need to diversify, and by 2005, Amazon offered a vast array of products including consumer electronics, apparel, and hardware. Amazon diversified even further in 2006 by introducing Amazon Web Service or AWS, a cloud computing service. In late 2007, Amazon released a new handheld reading device called the Kindle. In 2010, the sales of Kindle books had surpassed those of hardcover books. That same year, Amazon moved into making its own television shows and movies with its Amazon Studios division. Amazon's yearly net sales increased from US dollar 510,000 in 1995 to some US dollar 600 million in 1998, and from more than US dollar 19.1 billion in 2008 to almost US dollar 233 billion in 2018. About half of the company's operating income in 2018 was derived from AWS. Even as a teenager, Jeff Bezos wanted to get involved in space, not as an astronaut, but an entrepreneur. It seemed a heady dream for a teenager in the 1970s and 1980s, but Bezos was reportedly determined. The 18-year-old Bezos, in an interview to Miami Herald, said he wanted to build space hotels, amusement parks, and colonies for 2 million or 3 million people who would be in orbit. The whole idea is to preserve the Earth, he told the newspaper. The goal was to be able to evacuate humans. The planet would become a park. In 1999, after watching the rocketry biopic film October Sky, Bezos discussed forming a space company with science fiction author Neil Stephenson. In 2000, shortly after Bezos was named Times Person of the Year for his work on the internet, Bezos turned his attention to space and quietly founded a company called Blue Origin. Before I continue, as usual, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell icon to keep in touch, and keep a tab on my future episodes. Please also like or dislike and put in your valuable comments. Do share my content if you like them. Blue Origin LLC is an American privately funded aerospace manufacturer and suborbital space flight services company headquartered in Kent, Washington. The company is led by CEO Bob Smith and aims to make access to space cheaper and more reliable through reusable launch vehicles. Blue Origin LLC is part of the now famous billionaire space race. The intense rivalry in new space by entrepreneurs who have entered the space industry from other industries, particularly computing. This involves sending rockets to the ionosphere, orbital launch rockets, and suborbital tourist space flights. As early as 2005, Bezos had discussed plans to create a vertical takeoff and landing spaceship called New Shepard. By 2008, a publicized timetable for New Shepard indicated that Blue Origin intended to fly uncrewed in 2011 and crewed in 2012. Bezos indicated that he founded Blue Origin to send customers into space by focusing on two objectives: to decrease the cost and to increase the safety of human spaceflight. By late 2016, Blue Origin was projecting that if all New Shepard test flights operated as scheduled, they could begin flying passengers to space on the New Shepard in 2018. In July 2013, the company employed approximately 250 employees and grew to 2,000 employees by April 2019, with plans to have more than 2,600 by the end of 2019, 2 years before orbital rocket New Glenn's anticipated first flight. By July 2014, Bezos had invested over $500 million into Blue Origin. As of 2016, Blue Origin was spending $1 billion a year, funded by Jeff Bezos' sales of Amazon stocks. The first developmental test flight of the New Shepard occurred on 29 April 2015. The uncrewed vehicle flew to its planned test altitude of more than 93.5 km and achieved a top speed of Mach 3 or 3,665 km per hour. Blue Origin launched the New Shepard successfully for a second and third time in November 2015 and April 2016, demonstrating reuse. In March 2016, Bezos discussed his plan to offer space tourism services. In September 2016, Blue Origin announced that its orbital rocket would be named New Glenn in honor of American astronaut John Glenn. In March 2017, Blue Origin had acquired its first set of paying launch customers for orbital satellite launches on Blue Origin's New Glenn orbital launch vehicle. In Eutelsat, a company expected to start launching TV satellites in 2022, followed by OneWeb and New Space, a company based in Thailand planning satellite-based broadband services and space travel in Asia Pacific. Blue Origin has been flight testing New Shepard and its redundant safety system since 2012. The program has had 15 successful consecutive missions, including 3 successful escape tests, showing the crew escape system can activate safety in any phase of the flight. In May 2019, Blue Origin announced the Blue Moon landed design concept, expected to fly on the New Glenn launch vehicle and be ready to make a soft landing on the moon as early as 2024. Blue Origin is expected to begin space flight meant for space tourists. The New Shepard, Blue Origin's reusable suborbital rocket system, will be launched from West Texas on July 20th, 2021. Jeff Bezos has announced he will be flying to space with his brother on July 20th. The former Amazon CEO will be among the travelers on the first passenger flight of Blue Origin. New Shepard will take his first astronaut crew to space along with Bezos and his brother Mark Bezos, as well as the winner of an online auction for the third seat. More than 7,600 people registered from 159 countries to bid for this seat, which ultimately went for a winning bid of US dollars 28 million. New Shepard will launch on July 20th, reach the Karma line at 100 kilometers above mean sea level, and then descend back to Earth, all in a matter of 10 minutes. That is all for today. Thank you. Goodbye for now. See you in my next episode.